Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. We have already talked about the structure of the main sentence. And today I like to talk about the structure of the subordinate sentences. In my course there are some examples of subordinate sentences. And today I will explain you why it is like this. To see my whole course for beginners, just click on the first link down in the description. First, let's look at a normal main sentence. Here the most important rule is that the conjugated verb is in position 2. As for example in this sentence. Gibt dem Kind heute den Ball. Literally, he gives the kid today the ball. The verb is at position 2. The picture and colors remind us that geben is irregular and what nominative, accusative and dative are. Anyone who has questions about these topics can watch my other videos about that. But what changes here if we transform a main sentence into a subordinate sentence? Okay, first of all, every sub-sentence always needs a main sentence, which is usually placed in front of the sub-sentence. That means sub-sentence usually never exist alone. Here, our little short main sentence. Alle sind hier. All are here. And main and sub-sentences are always separated by commas. After the comma is our conjunction. For example, weil. Because. So what happens to the structure of the main clause? The conjunction pushes the conjugated verb all the way to the end. And that's why the complete sentence is as follows. Alle sind hier, weil dem Kind heute den Ball gibt. Literally, all are here because he, the kid today, the ball gives. And again, it sounds a little bit like Yoda from Star Wars, doesn't it? In our picture, the little symbol of the pushing man reminds us of this pushing action. Let's look at another conjunction. Das, with two S, means that. And here too, the verb is at the end. Sagt, dass dem Kind heute den Ball gibt. Literally, he says that he, the kid, today the ball gives. Our next conjunction is ob, if. And here too, the same. Fragt, ob dem Kind heute den Ball gibt. Literally, he asks if he, the kid, today the ball gives. And one more conjunction, wenn, when. And no surprises here either. Alle sind hier, wenn dem Kind heute den Ball gibt. Literally, all are here when he, the kid today, the ball gives. Maybe some of you have wondered, what happens if we have more than one verb in sentence? We have learned that in the main sentence the conjugated verb is at position 2 and the other verbs are at the end. For example in this sentence, hat dem Kind gestern den Ball gegeben. Literally, he has, the kid, yesterday the ball given. So, how do we make out of this a sub-sentence? Okay, first we need a main sentence again. And after the comma is the conjunction. We have learned that when in German is wenn, but for actions in the past, we use for when als. So please be careful. So what happens to the structure of the main clause? The conjunction pushes the conjugated verb all the way to the end. And that's why the complete sentence is as follows. Alle waren hier, als dem Kind gestern den Ball gegeben hat. Literally, all were here when the kid yesterday the ball given has. Even more Yoda here. So, now let's look at a sentence with a modal verb. Will dem Kind heute den Ball geben. Literally, he wants the kid today the ball to give. And here again the same thing happens. The modal verb is pushed all the way to the end. Sagt, dass dem Kind heute den Ball geben will. Literally, he says that the kid today the ball to give wants. Wow. The German word order is sometimes quite strange and special. Okay, so don't forget that German has many subordinate conjunctions that pushes the verb all the way to the end. The most important ones are weil, das, ob, wenn, als. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you don't miss anything. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy and thank you very much for watching.